Light up a split. I will never shoot you. Wave it around. Where is the seal to open it? Why y'all let me look silly like that? Why didn't nobody help me? Why didn't nobody say nothing? I'm about to cancel all y'all. What's up? What's good? What's poppin'? Stop, babes. It's your girl, SharondaDanielle, the Sob Queen, of course. I know what you're thinking. And no, I'm not dirty. I am recording two videos in one day. Because I got home and realized I had some packages. So this is going to be kind of like a little, a mini unboxing video. I got this itty bitty hammer that I got when I got the little storage thing. This ain't even helping me do nothing. Let me get a knife. Can I play it to you like that? To me, in all the flashbacks. Tell me how it feels when I'll just open this one first. Well, I already kind of opened this, so looks like, honestly, I opened this, but I completely forgot what it was. I have some sets, y'all. Oh my gosh. We got, what's this? Red, green, pink, black, white. Okay. Coming through with the option. Period. I'm assuming the other box has this in here too. So I'm not gonna open that. I have another box that's with that. So I'm assuming it's just more than that. So more of that. So I'm not gonna open that yet. Because that means I'm gonna have to put it all up right now. Let's see. Let me put y'all down a little bit more so y'all can see what's going on. Uh-oh. We know what that is. We know what that is. Y'all can't even see. What does that say? Aries. Y'all know what that means. The restocking. Oh, we got new, can y'all see that? Yes. We got new, lash cases. These are cute. Where is the pink ones? I need to know. I need to show y'all a pink one. Okay. I lost the bag that I just had because everything looks the same. Okay. There it is. Ooh, I'm excited, y'all. Are y'all excited? Is that somebody back there jumping for joy? Okay. Look at the pink one. The pink one is really everything. Can y'all see? There, y'all, it's fire. It's fire. Yes, I'm excited. Okay, all these cases. Where's lashes? Hold on. Hey, y'all, I'm back. So, y'all can see in the background that we got all these cases with lashes. that she ain't send my things with lids. She raggedy for that. Y'all. My babies is about to be back in stock. Getting all this stuff is exciting. But after unboxing them and seeing what it is, the unexciting part comes. So I can also, I mean, I ain't about to go through this whole box and show y'all everything because y'all ain't gonna know which lashes are which, and y'all can go on the website for all that. But I will show y'all something else that came. And I already put it up, so. Oops. My bad, y'all. My phone's about to die, so well, that ain't working because I just put it all the way up here. But the highlighter 2 pieces are in. I'm about to take one of these things out the package so y'all can see what's really going on. Because I know y'all looking like, okay, how you supposed to know what that is? I'm going to open a large one. So this is one. Light up a split. I will never shoot you. Wave it around. Where is the seal to open it? Why y'all let me look silly like that? Why didn't nobody help me? Why didn't nobody say nothing? I'm about to cancel all y'all. So this is how it goes. It is a one arm situation. You feel me? With the skirt. Yes. Purr. This is cute. So I do have a photo shoot tomorrow. Ooh. If you watched my previous video, then you already know that. But yes, so I will be wearing one of the highlighter outfits or both of them, I don't know. Depending on which way the wind blows tomorrow, I might not feel like it. I guess I could open up one of these sets to show y'all. So this is the top. Bam. It's a half piece. And you have the cut out sides. And they tie. So this is a really cute piece. Definitely. I really like this. Can't wait to try this on. Yeah, that's what I meant. Can't wait to try this on. I'm probably gonna wear one of these for the photo shoot tomorrow also. I can't wait for this photo shoot because I'm just ready to get the pictures back already. I just have no patience. I'm ready to get the new website. I'm just ready for everything. Okay? I'm just ready for everything. that is about it. Like, that's all I really have going on for today. Second video of the day. Curls. I ain't got no curls left. But it's okay though, because I just went to the hair store and distraction. I just went to the hair store and actually got, what are they called? Flexi rods to put in my hair to bring my curls back to life. So that tomorrow for the photo shoot, I can look like I actually got my hair done. But it's cute right now. It's like giving me like maybe like a beach curl vibe, like a beach wave maybe, like still cute. Oh my gosh, y'all, like Wiggins showed out with this wig. Y'all, this is giving very much, I promise y'all, my 30-inch wig. My bad, can y'all still see me? Because this show just said low battery. My 30-inch wig goes to probably about where this wig goes. I'm not even lying, y'all. I'm not even kidding. I'm not even joking. Not even playing around. So, Wiggins is definitely like showing out with this. I will be ordering another wig from them. Plus, the hair feels so good. Like, legit. Yes. Hold on. Maybe I need to. Y'all, I need to get my life. Okay. New inventory. Let's see. Ooh. Y'all, I need a thumbnail. I'm annoying. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.